FCI ka na. Hello! Hello, good evening, sir. Good morning na pala actually. Yeah, it's actually 2 a.m. At grabe talagang lahat po na mananalo, whether from top to 19. Lahat po na mananalo at hindi pa pala rin ngayong gabi nito o umaga nito ay pumunta po sa backstage to claim your prize. Pero walang uuwing luhan talaga. Walang uuwing talo. Narito na sir ang ating decision. And of course, we're going to call our chairman of the board to really announce our winner. We are again very much honored to call the chairman of the board. Ladies and gentlemen, it's really a morning and you will give us the sunshine, Mr. Joshua Zamora. Laguna yun, matagal Laguna.
Grabe, yun lang ang masasabi ko. And good morning to everyone. Kamusta kayo dyan? Happy Anilag Festival, ano? Good morning sa kanilang lahat. And of course, to announce, siyempre, unahin natin yung ating third placer muna. Para sa ating Anilag Festival 2007 Dance Showdown. Handa na ba para sa third placer? Papa Josh. Papa Josh daw, Papa Josh.
To receive 5,000 pesos.
5,000? Grabe.
That's right, Josh.
That's a big box, huh? Anyway, for our third placer is group number 11. 11 is the congratulations. Meron natin captain ng group number 11.
Group number 11 is Happy Dancers mula sa Rizal, Laguna.
Alright.
Akit po tayo sa stage.
Like to call on group number 11. Kung nandyan pa kayo, o kaya baka umuwi na kayo.
I guess natin pa silang lahat.
Pa silang lahat.
I guess sila yung mga nag-Wild Wild West costume.
Alright, yung mga cowboy.
If my memory serves me right.
Ayan. Okay, habang paakyat sila.
Yes.
I-announce ko na. Diyan na ba?
And eto na ang ating Crown Beat Dancers.
To receive 5,000 pesos.
That's correct, Josh.
And
Alam mo, in person pala, nagtitwinkle-twinkle yung mata mo.
ganun ba yun?
So, hindi ko matigilan eh.
Salamat. Kuyat na, kuyat. Alright. For our second placer is group number 19.
The new element dance group mula sa Pagkalaguna.
Group number 19. To receive how much?
8,000 pesos.
8,000 pesos. Pesos.
Pwede ng pang-tuition.
Pwede na. Oo, ilan pa sila maghahati doon?
So, marami na lang.
Sampu sila, no? Oo, tiga.
Siyempre talagang kakaiba. Nasa na, ayan.
Oo.
Aba.
Plus trophy. Meron yung trophy yung third placer. And of course, yung second placer. Siyempre, hindi naman natin kinakount dyan yung talagang cash prizes. Siyempre, importante dyan yung passion ng bawat kabataan. Ginagawa nilang effort. Pinaghirapan nila lahat ng dance numbers nila. Kaya, in behalf of the judges, kinakongrats namin lahat from contestant number 1 hanggang sa dulo. Contestant number 19.
Alam mo, tama ka dyan, Joshua. That's something to do with the passion, no?
Okay.
And when you have the passion, and to give us support, our annual commemorative trophy is Mr. Tony Bernardo of History, Arts, and Culture Office.
Alright.
This is group number 11.
Group number 11.
The Crown Beat Dancers. First time daw nilang sumalo sa isang dance contest.
First time daw yun, ha?
First time. Why don't we ask them?
Ay, grabe. Sino ang choreographer and team leader of the group? Nagtutuwa na, eh.
Alam mo talaga it's short. Hindi ka Pedro or grupo. Alam mo
Actually, pinapanood ko sila, sabi ko, ito yung leader.
ito ba ang leader?
Alam mo yung makikita mo yung sino yung may dating na leader.
Because you're also a choreographer. What do you say?
Thank you sa lahat. Thank you talaga.
First time ba niyo sumali sa contest?
First time.
First time, parang hindi first time, ano? Not bad for a first timer. Tapos third placer pa.
Okay, and
I'm sure, pagsali niyo sa iba, mas malayo pa mararating ng mga yan.
That's right. If they continue their passion and their commitment to their craft.
That's correct. And of course, yung second placer, sinong leader?
Sige,
Ito si Ellie. Come over here. We have the friend leader. Halika dito.
This is the new
Sharon first.
Oh, what can you say?
Magkapatid kayo?
Wala lang.
Nagkakasama-tama ka ng lugaw sa paite.
Oh, sarap na.
At sino gusto mong pasalamatan?
Guys ko, dahil hindi ka nalila. Dahil mga tagapalit.
Ang mga sponsor ninyo, di ba? Clothing, lahat.
Salamat. It's your moment. Sige, bibigyan namin kayo ng pagkakataon.
Take this opportunity. Pasalamat po kayo. Dito ba? Gusto magsalita? Halika na! Huwag mo na iya! Ano sa susunod?
Salamat po kay Vice Mayor ng Paita sa kay Tita Nelda.
Yan. Okay. Maraming salamat.
Alam mo, it's so nice when you're being supported by the municipality talaga. Kaya sa inyo po lahat, mga tagapaite, congratulations for being on the
event nakakatulog nito. O talaga naman hinahabol ng mga kabataan.
Oo nga.
At tinitilian.
Ikaw nga, tayo natitilan niya kanina eh. Talagang so,
Medyo natapos na yung mga ganyang panahon natin. Naalala ko during our days. Siyempre with Gary Valenciano yun.
that's right, mga concerts.
Si Jason talaga yan yung lagi tinitilian sa grupo na.
Oo nga, ito naman. Even applause.
Idol ko yan eh, idol.
Sino mas matanda? Sino mas bata siya?
Mas bata lang ako ng 1 taon.
Why not? Diba? Pareho pa rin naman kayo mukhang bata at sariwa, no?
Alright, ito na! For the Grand Champion!
Susunod!
Pamulag Festival 2007! Ready na ba kayo? Our Grand Champion for the Grand Showdown is none other than Group Number... sino? Iba number 1, yung iba number 5, 7... Okay, I would like to make the announcement now. It's Group Number 15! Group number 15. Ito na tayo yung may pagka-passionista. Maraming beats sa katawan.
Lahat eh!
Lahat. Congratulations to Group Number 15.
And your awarded trophies, Mr. General
Receive their cash amounting to magkano yun?
10,000
pesos. And as trophy, singing leader. Photographer.
Okay, ito. Ano magsasabi mo dahil tama ni Kuya John?
Thank you so much po sa mga judges po. And thank you po sa mga fans po sa mga organizers. Thank you po.
So, I have a very interesting one for static winners yung...
Sige. Go.
Paano nyo naisip yun yung costume? Kasi it's really outlandish na tayo talaga.
Actually, ito po,